Hello everybody and welcome back to Half Past Out. This is our YouTube channel you're tuning into, obviously. I got a special kind of reveal episode for you guys. We're going to do an unboxing, something that a bit unexpected, but we weren't sure we would have until it became available, and I'm just fortunate enough that we got this to come in. So we have here the Mission to the Moon phase MoonSwatch, but even more special, it is a Snoopy. So let's take a look at the unboxing. Leave that there. Do a wrist check right before I get this going. Got my Luminox, but it's going to be taken off here, obviously. So leave that up there. If you guys don't know, the Snoopy is based off of this watch right here, one of their original Snoopy releases. It ended up going up way a ton in value over COVID, and then it's come down a bit, but still very valuable Omega, especially for just standard materials. It's an incredibly valuable Omega. So get into it without further ado. There we have it. Let you guys see it. Put on my other Half Passed Out branded glove here. Bear with me. And I will take them off shortly. Just wanted to get the logo out there for you guys. Looks like we're notched on there. Looped into that box. Another close-up look. See if I can get my phone to refocus here. There we go. Great. Just a little mission to the moon. I love that little back. I think that's a really nice touch. All right. Well, that is the unboxing of the Mission to the Moon phase MoonSwatch Snoopy in white. I think this is my preferred choice of the two. I think the other one doesn't quite stand out as much. I think I originally was hoping they would release some rendition of this specific model, but let's see if I can get a little closer. You can see Snoopy right there on his moon phase. So yeah, just some little touches that I like a lot about him. But I'm really excited to get some wear on this guy and kind of see what it's like to drive. I do know not a lot of people love these bands that they come with. You can only do so much at the cost point that they're at. So I do understand that, but at the same time, it's something I probably am looking to replace just based off feel for now. All right, there it is on the wrist. Let's get a focus in. Nice. Feels good, feels really light, which I like. I know that's part of the bioceramic material that they used, but it looks really good on the wrist. I like the size. I love the elevated glass. Take that off for you. Beautiful. Well, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the quick unboxing video. I know it wasn't Something we anticipated, but something I'm glad we got to get out on the channel. That's all I have today, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit us up with any comments about the watch, any questions about the watch, or just comments for us, questions for us. That's all I have. Hope you have a good one.